back. I hope you all are having a fantastic Saturday. So I am really excited, as you can see from the title down below. Today we are going to be unboxing the June and July Rebecca mail. We have both boxes here. Now I'm going to go over a little bit about what Rebecca mail is, but also stay tuned because there's a chance for you to win a 3-month subscription to Rebecca mail. So it is a stationary subscription. It is $20 a month and you will receive 5 cards, pens, pencils, and other special gifts. It is free shipping. There is always a cute theme to every month and it's always so much fun. And I do have a coupon code that is really awesome. Like I said, it's $20 a month. Through August 15th, I have a promo code, southernmom $10. So southernmom $10. And that'll get you $10 off your first box. So you can get a box for $10. She does also have a cheaper option that is just the snail mail, so it would just be the 5 cards every month, and that is $12.50, also with free shipping. Again, the coupon code is valid through August 15th. I will put a link, the coupon code, and all of that down below for you guys. But like I said, you have a chance to win a 3-month subscription. So she asked if I wanted to give away the 3 months or host the giveaway, and I was like, sure, why not? I know someone would love to win. So what you need to do to be entered to win the 3-month subscription to Rebecca Mail is be subscribed to my channel, like this video. You must be over the age of 18 and have a US shipping address, and just leave a comment down below and put the words "enter me." And I will use a random comment picker. I will let this run until the 12th of August, so for about 10 days. And on the 13th, I will use, like I said, that random comment picker. So make sure you do leave a comment down below with the words "enter me" in it. Now, I will respond to the comment and pin the comment. You will have 24 hours to respond and get in touch with me and give me your shipping information. My email is in the description of all of my videos. So again, super simple. Just be subscribed, like this video, must be over the age of 18, US shipping address, and leave a comment with the words "enter me." Again, this is going to run through August 12th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will select a winner on the 13th and pin their comment and respond to that comment. So again, I won't be responding really to comments on this video. I will just be hearting and letting you know that I did see your comment and you have your entry in. So let's get in, and I can give you an example here with the June and July boxes and show you kind of what Rebecca Mail exactly is. So we will start this, and of course it wouldn't be a video of mine if I didn't drop something. So let me pick up my box cutter. All right, so we've got this. Now, these came in marked box 1 and 2, so I'm going to assume box 1 is June. So we're going to start with this one. So I think it's cute, the box, the light pink Rebecca Mail, but it says, "Life is tough, get fun mail." So let's open her up. I have done this subscription before and it is always so adorable. Like I said, it's a fun, cute theme every month. And this is the June 2019 Rebecca Mail. And I can already tell you, I'm so excited to see what is in here because the theme is adulting is hard, if that's not the truth. So it says, so again, this is the June and July boxes. So, but it says June is here. Summer is finally well and truly here. It is the time of flip-flops, beach hair, and fireflies. It is also the time of year when we wish we were still kids and #adulting becomes hard. This month, Rebecca Mail focuses on the funny side of adulting with an extra dash of tropical flair with 5 exclusive cards made just for you. Also in your box, I'm not going to go over that because I don't want to give away anything. Enjoy Rebecca. So one thing about Rebecca Mail, there's always like a treat in any of the subscriptions. She also is the owner of Bauble Mail, which is the earring subscription, and Lip Service, which is a chapstick subscription. And all of them, she always includes a little treat. So this is what I'm seeing when I take the card off. So I can already see our little treat, our limited edition. Oh, they're like little emoji fruit Mentos. Those are going to be good. Christopher will steal those, I know. So then we see this. All right, so we have some lip balm, Italian fruit parfait. It is all natural. Always use a good lip balm. We have some super cute washi tape with like palm leaves. That is so adorable. Oh, this is cute. So we have like a little pencil pouch and it says hello again with the palm leaves. How cute is this? And it's on both sides. I love that. That is adorable. To go along with it, looks like we have a, let's see if this is a pen or a pencil, but it has the palm leaves. It is a pen. So we have a palm leaf pen. Go ahead and stick that right there in the bag. And then there is also another pen. This is the Pilot Razor Point 2. It's like a blue. It's really pretty. And then we have our 5 cards. So let's see what these say. And they do all come with an envelope, so that is great. One day you're not old, and the next day you have a favorite grocery store. If that's not the truth. And it's so cute with the palm. And I love that they all on the bottom have #adulting. And then it says, I wish I was still a little kid so I could take a long nap and everyone would just be proud of me. I'm not going to say I like to, but I will occasionally take a nap. And I am one of those people that I can't take a short little 30 or 45 minute nap because it makes me really grumpy. Like when I nap like 3 to 4 hours. I didn't see anyone today, so I'm wearing this again tomorrow. Y'all know we are all guilty of that. Don't even act like you're not. Some days I amaze myself. Other days I look for my phone while I'm talking on it. Yep, been there, done that. And how do you restore your body back to factory settings? Is it kale? Please don't say kale. If we only could. So that was the June box and it was super cute. So we got the washi tape, we got the 5 cards, we got the cute little pouch, pencil and pen pouch with 2 pens to go in it. We got the lip balm and the Mentos as our yummy treat. So that is fantastic. This was a super cute month and I love it. The tropical theme is amazing. So let's get into the July box, which we have right here. So here we have the card, and it says the July 2019 Rebecca Mel theme is Sweet Summer Friends. Cute. I see flamingos. Hello, July. Sometimes they're a family and sometimes they are the friends we choose. This month we are celebrating our friends. I designed these cards just for you after a much needed day with my bestie. I hope they inspire you to reach out to those in your life who encourage you, are always in your corner, and make you laugh until you cry. Also in your box are several fun items to add to your summer tote bag and make your life a little more whimsical and a yummy treat for you. So, and then it says, enjoy, Rebecca. So this is what I see at first. So our little yummy treat, it's a little pack of Jelly Belly jelly beans. Again, Christopher will steal those. And then we have something right here. Y'all, okay, I would totally blow this up, but I have lipstick on and I don't want to mess up my lipstick. But y'all, this is so stinking cute. This is a little flamingo. You blow it up, it's a little floaty, but it's like a cup holder. I've seen these. This is so adorable. this will get put to use for sure. How stinking cute. I love that. She finds the cutest stuff. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm about to like die. This is so adorable. We have this super cute flamingo pin. I don't know how she finds all these things that coordinate so well. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I'm gonna put that in the bag from the June box. And then we also have here another pin. They all have the caps on them, which I like, so they don't mark on stuff. This actually looks like it's gonna write in pink, which is cute. So then we have that, and okay, yeah, so you can kind of do that. Fun. And then it says everything is going to be all right. Yep. So this, okay, so this is like a little notepad. That's cute. And then, oh, hold on. What is this? What is this? This is cute. Oh, it is like a pink pineapple. If you guys know, I love pineapples, but it's that like mermaid or whatever where you can, how cute. She does find the cutest things. That is so fun. Like these boxes go together really well. All right, so then we have our 5 cards. Oh, I can already tell these are going to be. All right, so this one, Be Beautiful. How cute. I kind of want to see if these have anything on the inside of them because, okay, no, they're blank. But that is so freaking cute. A journey is best measured in friends rather than miles. That is so precious. Deep summer is when laziness finds respectability. That is so cute. Floating on a little donut float. Some people make you laugh a little louder, your smile a little brighter, and your life a little better. You are one of those people. That is so cute. And then this says, surround yourself with the dreamers and the doers, the believers and the thinkers, but most of all, surround yourself with those who see the greatness within you, even if you don't see it yourself. Y'all, these cards are so adorable. So I love this subscription so much. Like I said, you get 5 cards with their envelopes every month, cute pins, a yummy little snack, and other extras that are fun and cute and adorable. Like, I think both of these boxes go so well together. And I just love this subscription so much. She has such a talent of making everything just go together. I mean, the little flamingo floaty cup holder, the flamingo pin, and then with the June box, all the tropical, it was just perfect. So again, Rebecca Mail is $20 a month. And you see how each box is. It is amazing. And again, free shipping. I do have that coupon code valid through August 15th. Southern Mom, $10 to save you $10 off your first box. So I will put her website down below as well as the coupon code so you can get you your first box for $10. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. They're always amazing. But also, like I said, she is ever so kindly offered a 3-month subscription to One Lucky Winner. So again, all you have to do is be subscribed, like this video, be over the age of 18 with a US shipping address, and comment down below with the words "Enter Me." Again, it will run through August 12th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And on the 13th, I will select a winner with a random comment picker and respond to their comment. You have 24 hours to contact me back with your shipping information. Or actually, not your shipping information. Actually, what I only need will probably be your email and your name, and then I'll give that information to her, and she will contact you as far as how to go about getting your 3-month subscription set up. So if you want a chance to win 3 months of Rebecca Mail, go ahead and follow those rules. I know whoever wins will absolutely love it because you can see these boxes are so cute, and I love having the two to show you so you kind of see that every month it is super cute and super fun, and there's always a fun theme, and the cards, I just love it. So I could talk all day about it, but I'm gonna stop, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Saturday. I will talk with you guys with the next video. Have a great day. Bye.